You have challenges, NASA has innovation and research to help. Lightweight, damage-tolerant, flexible, and deployable thin film structures are enabling for a variety of space exploration missions when configured, for example, as solar sails. Spanning large areas with thin film materials can result in progressive failure due to tearing or ripping. Methods for increasing thin film can add more weight or require more costly labor. Researchers at NASA Langley Research Center have developed a method for manufacturing that uses commercially available additive print manufacturing to add various levels of structural hierarchy to thin film surfaces. The approach adds very little weight to thin films but provides substantial performance enhancements, such as increased damage tolerance to tearing and ripping.
This technology provides new and improved ways to produce robust, ultra-lightweight space structures such as solar sails, solar shades, and antennas. The films used in these applications are extremely thin, similar to plastic kitchen wrap material, but are specially made and are of high value and cost. So damage-tolerant films may provide a measure of insurance as an opportunity to mitigate ripping across the film, allowing it to remain intact for the application.
This invention may have a broader applicability using various aspects of its rip-stop design features for other thin film membrane applications. This technology is cost-effective, scalable, and supports a high-volume manufacturing approach.
NASA's Technology Transfer Program ensures innovations developed for exploration and discovery are broadly available to the public, maximizing the benefit to the nation. To learn more about how the method for manufacturing a thin film structural system technology can help with your product development, email lark-techtransfer@mail.nasa.gov.